So, Giancarlo, you were telling me, you just made me this delicious coconut margarita, and you were telling me about the benefits of coconut. Now, how did you make this?
Tequila, triple sec, coconut water, and fresh coconut.
And that's real coconut water out of that coconut
I just got
thing.
the coconut water out of the coconut in like 20 minutes.
And so what were you telling me about the other benefits of coconut water?
The most hydrating thing that we have.
So what you're saying is this is a health drink.
It is, especially because tequila is good for your stomach, they say. So I heard. Or so I choose to believe.
So why is the margarita your signature drink? Is it just because everybody raves about it?
Yeah, I guess. People like it. I don't use any mixers. It's all natural ingredients.
So do you use any mixers in any of your drinks?
I don't use any mixers at all.
Is that what sets you apart from the competition?
That, my charm and good looks.
So Ciara, what did you just say about the wings?
That's the best wing that I ever had here.
Really?
Yes.
Now say
Very
that.
good.
Say that in Spanish.
Las mejores alas que he tenido aquí en Punta Cana.